Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Finally the December KnitCrate arrived and it's gorgeous. Unfortunately it came without the little pamphlet, or I don't know if you remember, for November we just had this card with the links to download the patterns. In December, for the December KnitCrate, it only came with the yarn and a bag, which is all right because I can always email them and tell them they didn't put in the leaflet, so I don't have the link to download the patterns that I need to use for my yarn. You could have a look at the patterns, so if you really want to need the patterns, you can contact them and let them know that they forgot to put it in a parcel. So you could just go on Ravelry and look for KnitCrate squad goals. That was the thing for December, and they have 4 patterns. They have 2 socks, a knitted pair and a crochet pair, and they have 2 scarves, a crochet one and a knitted one. And as you can see, the scarves have pretty much the same texture. Let me just show you a better picture. So this is the crochet version. As you can see, it has lots of holes in, and then the knitted version, it's got texture as well, pretty much a little bit different than the crochet version. So depending on what craft you like to do, whether it's crochet or knitting, then you can choose which pattern you want, and I am sure that they can arrange that you get it for free for your membership. However, I didn't. This is all I had in my KnitCrate. I'm still very grateful for KnitCrate for sending me this beautiful yarn. Is Ordine wools, and I've worked with Ordine wools in the past. They're very soft. Most times they have a little bit of cashmere in. This one is a collaboration with Christy Glass Knits, and she has a YouTube channel, so I can link it down below for you to go and watch her. This one is the Twinkle DK, and as you can see, it's got sparkles. Can you see the sparkles? Yeah, it's beautiful. I'm assuming because it was Christmas, they added stellina in the yarn to, spark a little bit our Christmas holidays, because we had to spend them at home because of the pandemic. The colorway is roller skates, and they're both from the same batch. 80% merino wool, 10% cashmere, and 10% stellina. It's 100 grams each, and it's 250 yards. It says care, hand wash only, lay flat to dry, and all Odin yarns are made exclusively for KnitCrate. If you would like to knit socks, this is plenty of yarn for socks. You could even knit 2 pairs of shorty socks with these. Easy to knit a scarf or 2 scarves, not 2 scarves, a crochet scarf or a knitted scarf. You could also make hats with it. It would be enough. 200 grams of yarn is enough for a smaller project. If you want a bigger project to use this yarn, you can always go on their website and purchase additional skeins, and then you can use it to knit a sweater or a big shawl if that's what you want. They usually include a freebie or maybe like an extra, and this month they included this bag. It's a drawstring bag, and it says Yarn Squad on it. You can never have enough bags as a knitter to store your wool. It's beautiful. Yeah, what else can I say about it? It's a beautiful bag, and it came with this beautiful yarn. If you don't know what KnitCrate is, it's a yarn subscription. You pay monthly. Usually it's between $19.99 to I think $32.99. I have the membership which retails for $24.99, and usually one skein is about that price. So for your subscription price, you get 2 skeins plus patterns and plus a freebie. Last month I think we had a pen. I don't know if I put it in the video. I think I must have forgotten because I used it right away. But pretty much every month you have your yarn, your patterns, and an extra gift from them. And if you struggle with inspiration, what to knit, if you're a beginner and you don't know how to use the yarn or what to use it for, then to start with KnitCrate is amazing because they give you the pattern, very, very good patterns, explicit patterns by great designers, and also the yarn and sometimes the back to hold your project in. So all you need is needles. Sometimes they give you a crochet hook. I'm not sure if they ever sent needles, but that would be a good thing, KnitCrate. Maybe in one month you could add some needles. That way, when the person gets their membership, they have everything they need to start working on their project. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will pop the link of all my KnitCrate reviews, and also check my Instagram where I post most of the things that I knit with the KnitCrate yarn. So you have a look there. Pretty much every month I use it for something other than the patterns that they send, because I find that I don't need as many scarves. I don't use as many scarves, but I can always knit socks. So yeah, I usually do my own pattern for the yarn, but it's beautiful yarn every single month, and I've been working with KnitCrate for nearly 3 years now, so I am very happy with the yarn every month. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.